watching K News HD International. Britain National Crime Agency NCA has catch a major money laundering transactions of 190 million pounds from Pakistan to Britain, which was the sent to London by the owner of Barrier Town Malik Riaz. Scotland Yard investigation the case for 2 years and gave Malik Riaz at all 2 years to provide the tax paid in Pakistan on this 190 million pounds and the secure of income disclosed to the government of Pakistan, which Malik Riaz could not do. And finally, the British court ruled that 190 million pounds should be given to the government of Pakistan and transferred to Swiss amount as soon as the money of reached Pakistan. Imran Khan, as the Prime Minister, called a cabinet meeting in which the cabinet decided that money should be the released to Malik Riaz instead of the government in the from adjusting to the payment due to Malik Riaz to a total of 460 billion rupees. Week after this discussion, an Al Qadir Trust was the established on emergency basis, whose trustees were Farah Gogi and Pinky Pirni etc. not on named transfer. Imran Khan was not authorized to give the 190 million pounds owned by the government of Pakistan to Malik Riaz in case second Pinky and Gogi could not provide proof of any payment in exchange for getting 5 billion rupees worth of land in Islamabad, and took the position that this trust, which was received as a gift but was not transferred to the name of the land trust but transferred to these personal names. Naps mourned Imran Khan, Faragogi, Pinky Pirni 5 times for the investigation, but they did not appear. And finally, Imran Khan was arrested in Al Qadir Trust case.